Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to discuss very important concept in any agentic AI workflow. Okay, so the concept is human in the loop. So what is human in the loop? Okay, so human in the loop refers to a system or process in which a human actively participate in the operation, supervision or decision making of an automated system in the context of AI. Okay, it is mainly like if you are going to build any agentic AI workflow or any workflow that can actually automate the entire process and that can actually perform end to end with the AI. Okay, the AI can start the workflow and AI took the decision and AI complete the tasks end to end. Okay, but in the workflow, the involvement of the human is the called something called human in the loop. Okay, means any AI workflow, the involvement in the human on that particular workflow to complete the task, that is we call human in the loop. And this is very important concept to add to any agentic AI workflow, because if you are depend on AI in every cases, okay, because some of the decision it's very risky if you depend on AI. Okay, AI can make mistakes and AI can take wrong decision. And like if you are going to build any loan approval system, for example, okay, so if you are end to end depend on the AI that approve the loan on particular person, it can become not useful but every time. Okay, because like in some person who deserving the loan, the AI can reject it. Okay, and someone risky to giving the loan, but AI approve it. So if the human, the involvement in this particular cases to select the who is right person to giving the loan, because every time it's not depend on the data. Okay, some of the cases you have to take decision on the environment, based on the environment. Okay, but AI every time took decision based on the data. Okay, that is the involvement of human to take decision on a particular workflow, AI workflow, that's called human in the loop. Okay, because this is very important. Like in the financial domain, like this be risky, important, money matters most, and some of the cases the AI can, you are having invoice, so you have to send 1,000 rupees, but AI by mistake send to 10,000 rupees. Like they are somehow it's the wrong number, and they to send the 10,000 rupees to someone, and you 9,000 rupees send the extra. But this is very risky. Okay, like in case of the AI, like this way AI can send the 1,000 per person, 10,000, 9,000 extra rupees. So you'll lost so much amount of money. But if you involve a human to check it that AI just send the money, it is correct or not. If it's correct, then you allow it or not, you can review it. Okay. So this is the involvement of AI, human, on a particular AI flow. That is we call human in the loop. So why is HITL important? Because AI is powerful but not perfect. It can make wrong decision. It can show biases. Means if you have data bias and if you train them AI model in bias, so it can biases, misunderstand context. Sometimes it can misunderstand the context because of the language or any other reason. The human helps to improve accuracy, ensure fairness, handle complex decision, and provide feedback for learning. Some of the cases you have to handle complex decision. So that time AI hallucinate it to take the decision. Okay, if the AI human involved in this particular cases to help the AI to take decision, right decision, so it can actually AI can become more powerful. So this is actually human in the loop. It means that any particular workflow, involvement of human to complete the workflow, this is called human in the loop. And this is very important to add this features concept if you're building any agentic workflow, if it is needed. Okay. So this is the human in the loop. If you like this particular video, and the next video we'll see this how you can actually make a add a features in the human in the loop any particular AI follow in practical. Okay. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section.